Healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss. What if I told you that the secret to losing weight might be sitting right on your breakfast plate? And no, I'm not talking about tiny portions or bland diet food. Today, I'm sharing 7 game-changing breakfast ideas that will kickstart your metabolism, keep you full for hours, and actually taste amazing. Stick around because breakfast number 5 is going to blow your mind. Let me share something that changed everything for me when it comes to weight loss and breakfast. Before we dive in, here's the truth about breakfast and weight loss that most people get wrong. Skipping breakfast doesn't help you lose weight, it actually slows down your metabolism and makes you more likely to overeat later. The key is eating the right breakfast. Let me break down the science for you in simple terms. A weight loss-friendly breakfast needs 3 key components. First, protein, at least 20 to 25 grams. This fires up your metabolism through something called the thermic effect of food, meaning you literally burn calories just by digesting it. Second, fiber, aim for 5 to 8 grams. Fiber keeps you full, stabilizes blood sugar, and feeds your healthy gut bacteria. Third, healthy fats, about 10 to 15 grams. These slow digestion and keep hunger hormones in check for hours. Now, let's get to those breakfast ideas that check all these boxes. First up is what I call the power smoothie bowl, and it's like eating ice cream for breakfast, but healthy. Blend together 1 cup of frozen berries, half a banana, 1 scoop of protein powder, I love vanilla or berry flavors, and a handful of spinach. Yes, spinach. You won't taste it, I promise. Pour it into a bowl and top with sliced almonds, chia seeds, and fresh berries. This beauty gives you 25 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber, and healthy fats from the nuts. The best part? It tastes like dessert but keeps you satisfied until lunch. My clients lose an average of 2 pounds per week when they start their day with this. If you're more of a savory breakfast person, this egg scramble is your new best friend. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Add diced bell peppers, onions, and spinach, cook for 2 minutes. Then scramble in 2 to 3 eggs with a 1/4 cup of black beans. Top it with half an avocado and a sprinkle of cheese if you want. This powerhouse gives you 22 grams of protein, 9 grams of fiber, and those healthy monounsaturated fats that actually help your body burn belly fat. Pro tip: meal prep the veggies on Sunday, and you can have this ready in under 5 minutes on busy mornings. Now, regular parfaits are usually sugar bombs, but this version is a metabolism booster. Start with 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, and it has to be plain because flavored yogurts are packed with hidden sugars. Mix in a tablespoon of almond butter and a teaspoon of honey. Layer with fresh berries and granola, but here's the key: make sure your granola has less than 6 grams of sugar per serving and includes nuts or seeds. This gives you a whopping 20 grams of protein, plus probiotics for gut health. And here's something cool: research shows that people who eat yogurt regularly have smaller waist circumferences. Overnight oats are having a moment, and for good reason. They're like having a personal chef prep your breakfast. My favorite combo: half a cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 scoop of protein powder, and your choice of milk. I prefer unsweetened almond milk. Add a tablespoon of natural peanut butter and some cinnamon. Mix it up, refrigerate overnight, and wake up to creamy, delicious breakfast that's ready to go. This has 28 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber. Plus, the slow-digesting carbs give you steady energy without the sugar crash. Okay, here's breakfast number 5 that I promised would blow your mind, and it's going to change how you think about toast forever. Instead of regular bread, we're using sweet potato slices as our toast. Just slice a sweet potato lengthwise, about ½ an inch thick, and pop it in the toaster for 3 to 4 cycles until tender. Top 1 slice with mashed avocado, hemp seeds, and a perfectly poached egg. Top the other with almond butter and sliced strawberries. You're getting complex carbs that won't spike your blood sugar, 15 grams of protein, and nutrients like beta-carotene that actually help your body burn fat more efficiently. It's like eating candy that makes you lose weight. Who says you can't have pancakes when you're trying to lose weight? These protein pancakes are fluffy, delicious, and actually support your goals. Blend together 2 eggs, half a banana, quarter cup of oats, and a scoop of protein powder. That's it, just 4 ingredients. Cook them like regular pancakes and top with fresh berries and a drizzle of sugar-free maple syrup. These pancakes have 25 grams of protein and taste like weekend brunch, but they're working for your waistline every single day. Last but definitely not least, let's take a trip to the Mediterranean with this gorgeous breakfast bowl. Start with a base of quinoa, yes, quinoa for breakfast. Add diced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and olives. Top with crumbled feta cheese and a hard-boiled egg. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice, and finish with fresh herbs like parsley or dill. This bowl is packed with 18 grams of protein, healthy fats that fight inflammation, and antioxidants that boost your metabolism. Plus, it's so Instagram-worthy. Now, let me share some pro tips to make these breakfasts work in real life. Tip number 1, prep on Sunday. Wash and chop all your fruits and veggies, cook quinoa in batches, and hard-boil a dozen eggs. This turns a 20-minute breakfast into a 5-minute assembly job. Tip 2, keep frozen fruits and vegetables on hand. They're just as nutritious as fresh, often cheaper, and last longer. Tip 3, invest in a good protein powder. Look for one with minimal ingredients and no artificial fillers. This makes hitting your protein goals so much easier. And tip 4, listen to your body. These are templates, adjust portions based on your activity level and hunger cues. I know what some of you are thinking, this sounds great, but I don't have time, or won't all this protein make me bulk up? Here's the truth, most of these breakfasts take less time than stopping for coffee and a muffin. And protein doesn't make you bulky, it makes you lean and strong. Another concern I hear is cost. Yes, quality ingredients cost more upfront, but think about it, you're investing in your health and actually saving money by not buying expensive diet products that don't work. Here's what I want you to do right now, pick one of these breakfast ideas and try it tomorrow morning. Just one. Don't overwhelm yourself trying to change everything at once. And here's something exciting, I've created a free meal prep guide with shopping lists and prep instructions for all these breakfasts. The link is in the description below. If this helped you today, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Tell me which breakfast idea you're most excited to try. I really enjoy hearing from people who try these recipes and see results. Remember, sustainable weight loss isn't about perfection, it's about making better choices most of the time. You've got this. Take care of yourself and keep making those positive changes.